from Investor Life. Just wanted to do a quick video on tricking our own minds and our own heads. At a conference on, personal growth and being better and being all you can be, and it's really interesting. This one speaker talked about, we read books like constantly. It's we read that CEOs read a book a day, and so we're like reading books, listening to books. It's all about learning, and I'm certainly that way. But there's a caution in there, and I've seen it so many times, and I never really equated it. I mean, we've heard of analysis paralysis, where we just need more information before we can make a decision, and that ends up just stifling us forever, or can. But the thought of this was something that I've thought of before, but never in this context. Is we think we're doing something because we're learning, and we're going, and we are reading, and info. We feel like we're actually going somewhere, but we're not. We're just spinning our tires. And I mean, there's a time for learning, for sure. But one thing we always said in our coaching was, fine, if you know that you have analysis paralysis, you get stuck down in the details, you need to have all those details for you to move forward, fine. But set a date for yourself. And depending on your project, it might be 3 months, might be 1 month, it might be 6 months. But set a date. You're like, okay, as of this date, I will have to have had every single thing that I needed in order to pursue and keep on going. And if I don't, I'm going. Too bad. It's go time as of this certain date. So that's something that has worked really well for people that know that they get stuck and can get stuck forever. I know some people that have done years and years of research and still never made a move. Their bank account is still exactly the same as it was. So let's not do that. And reading books is actually, I think, something that really can perpetuate that whole cycle. So really interesting thoughts. Thought I'd share it with you, and yeah, let's just do stuff.